Hello! Today we are ready for Unit 2, Week 2, Day 4. This week we have been talking about what buildings do you know and what they're made of, right? We've learned that buildings can be made of lots of different things. Sticks and mud, cement, bricks, lots and lots and lots of different things. All right, first we're going to start with our vocabulary. Are you ready? All right, here we go. What would be a good shelter if you lived in a very hot place? What would be a good shelter if you lived in a very hot place? A house? Okay. What would you want if it was hot there? Maybe an air conditioner, right? Yeah. All right. What materials could you use to make a house? What are some materials you can use to make a house? You could use wood, bricks. Yeah, we could use lots of things. All right, what would you do if your shelter collapsed? What would you do if your shelter collapsed? Would you rebuild? Yeah, you would need a shelter, right? You'd have to. Would you be furious if your shelter collapsed? Why? Would you be mad? I might be mad if I built it and I spent so much time on it and then it just fell down. Yeah, I'd be a little bit mad. Would you refuse to live in a house made of mud? Maybe you would. Yeah, I wouldn't. I think it would be kind of cool. I don't know that I'd like to stay there all the time, though. All right, we are going to read a story today, and this story we're going to read first is called The Pigs, the Wolf, and the Mud by Ellen Tarlow, illustrated by Pablo Bernasconi. All right, so we're going to read about 3 pigs who love mud and a wolf who doesn't. 3 pigs lived in a mud hut. "It is a mess," said Pig 1. "But pigs like a mess," said Pig 2. "Mud is fun," yelled Pig 3. "Get this," yelled Pig 1. She tossed mud to Pig 2. "Mud is fun," yelled Pig 3. The bell rang. "Little pigs, 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 let me in." Are they going to let him in? "It is a big bad wolf," said Pig 1. "We cannot let you in," yelled the pigs. "You will eat us up." "Then I will huff and puff," the wolf yelled back. He huffed, huffed, huffed. He puffed, puffed, puffed. "Yuck," said the wolf. "I cannot huff in mud. I cannot puff in mud." He rang the bell again. "Pigs, pigs, pigs, let me in," he yelled. "We will not let you in," the pigs yelled back. "Then I will kick, kick, kick," said the wolf. He kicked, kicked, kicked. The hut fell in. "Yuck," said the wolf. "I cannot look at this mud." "You pigs are a big mess." "Yes," yelled the pigs. "Pigs like a big mess." "But I do not," yelled the wolf. "I must get this mud off. Goodbye, pigs." "Let's make a hut," said Pig 1. "We could use bricks," said Pig 2. We could use sticks, said Pig 3. We will use mud, said Pig 1. Mud is good, said Pig 2. Mud is fun, yelled Pig 3. Yuck, said the wolf. That's a little bit different, isn't it? Yeah. All right, who are the characters in our story? We had Pig 1, Pig 2, Pig 3, and the wolf, right? Where did the story take place? Where was the setting? Yeah, they were at the pigs' hut, right? For most of it, and then outside building the hut. Good job. All right, what happened at the beginning of the story? What happened first? The wolf came and he knocked on the door, right? And he said, "Little pigs, 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 let me in." Did they let him in? No. So what did he do? He huffed and he puffed, but he did not like the mud, did he? No. What happened in the middle of the story? What did the wolf do to their hut? The wolf kicked it down. But the wolf got all muddy, and so where did he go? He left to go get clean, didn't he? And at the very end, what were the pigs doing? They were building a new hut. And what were they using? What materials did they use? Bricks, mud, and sticks, right? Good job. All right. Here we go. All right, we've been talking about short U, and short U says as in you, up, All right, let's get those tiger paws out. Are you ready? Here we go. K. Oh, I did it backwards, didn't I? Let's try that again. K, puck. Mud. Dug. Slug. Ooh, we got some words here, or pictures to make into words. Are you ready? What's this a picture of? A tux. Let's tap it. Tux. What's our first sound? What says t? T. What's our middle sound? What says U. And our last sound is x. What says x? X. So T-U-X. Tux. All right. What's this a picture of? Sun. Let's tap it. Sun. What says S? S. What says U? What says N? S-U-N spells sun. All right, let's look at this picture. Now they're pointing to this part right here. What is this part called? A bun. Let's tap out bun. 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 B. What says B? B. What says U. What says N? B-U-N spells bun. All right, what's this one? Let's do mug. We did cup the other day. Mug. G. Mug. Ready? What says M? What says U? What says G? G. M-U-G spells mug. All right, you ready to practice our high frequency words or our sight words? Here we go. Live, could, then, 3, 1, could, live, 3, then, 1. Make sure you're practicing those at home, okay? All right, let's see. We're going to read one more story. Let me pull it up. All right, here's our story. This story is called Homes Around the World. This story is nonfiction. We have been reading a lot of fantasy stories this week, stories that can't really happen because pigs and wolves and bears don't talk, right? All right. This is a good home for a wet place. There is a lot of water here. The stilts help keep this home dry. These right here that are holding up the house, the homes, those are called stilts. They're keeping them above the water. This caption says, "This home is made of wood." This is a good home for a hot place. There is a lot of clay in this place. People use it to build homes. Clay keeps the home cool inside. So when you live somewhere really hot and you build your house out of clay, it helps keep it cold because back in the old days, right, and in some other countries, they don't have air conditioners like we do. This caption says, "This home is made of clay." All right, if we're looking at this home, what is there a lot of? Why do they have to be on stilts? There's a lot of water, right? So they have to use the stilts to keep it above the water. Very good. All right, that ends for day 4. I'll see you for day 5. Bye.